Hey guys, welcome back. This is episode 39 of Trading to a Million. Now, here in this episode, we are just going to be looking at forming a short position actually. So on this date, so it's about 8 a.m. at the present time. I'm just looking for a little bit more strength to go into the market, and then I'm going to look to build a position from there on out. Yeah, so just getting back into getting these videos out. Let me know what you guys are thinking, if there's anything you guys in particular want to see. I am doing a voiceover here. So the first 4 episodes or so that do come out that you guys will see, don't mind them. There's been a few things that obviously I've just been trying to time them and stuff like that. Okay, so markets opened up here. It's about 9 a.m. at the moment, thereabouts. So this is still before in the coming weeks when daylight savings occurs in the US, which will cause this to no longer occur at this time. So I was just looking for this to open up stronger, which it has. And now I'm looking for a position to go short. So I've just picked it up there, and I'm going to see how this pans out relatively quickly. I'm going to be looking for quite a few sellers to move in pretty much in the coming minutes. And I really want to see it break down below the open price that it just had, so just about 62.15 thereabouts. That is going to be definitely a good indicator for me that there is some selling pressure moving in, which we can look to capitalize on. But if it's going to consolidate here for at least the next half an hour or so, and try and form a bit more of a support level, then maybe time that we might need to look at getting out. But we will see how this pans out. So look, it hasn't moved much higher than when I purchased that, so I'm down about another what was it, about $1 or so from my entry price. My entry price was okay. I was pretty happy to get in about the highs of those previous levels that you can see on the CFD there. So just providing you an update here, we're getting pretty close to about 950, and unfortunately it has consolidated at these levels. So it's touched the lows a couple times, and it's decided to hold. So the last thing that I will hold for is going to be the domestic futures open, which will be in the coming minutes, which we can see a little bit of selling pressure moving in. If this decides that it does want to just really push to the upside, there's a very high chance that it will, because the US futures have done so. I will look to probably just exit this position. But obviously we don't know exactly what's going to happen until it does, so we will hold our trade and see how it pans out in terms of that. So we're going to have that in the coming minutes in terms of that. As always, with all videos, like, comment, and subscribe. I will be having these videos coming out a little bit more drastically, and doing a voiceover. I am well into the first week of November at the moment, and things have been going well. If you've been keeping up with my Instagram, you've probably been seeing a few profits here and there, which is great. So yeah, October was a very tough month mentally. I think more than anything, like, it wasn't a big financial difficulty, like there was just small losses continually, but yeah, for mentally it was. So we did see a bit of selling pressure coming in, which is good to see, but then we saw a bit of a retest at those levels. So if it looks like it's going to break past that open, yeah, we're going to be pretty close to forming it looks like it's probably going to buck the trend today, and it's going to go to the upside. So as you can see there, just a big push, a lot of buyers. I decided just to get out, obviously, from that time being. And look, if that's going to continue going, I'd rather take a small loss than a big loss there in terms of that. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.